This is Meenakshi. Today I'm taking maths of class 8 lesson number 12 exponents and powers exercise number 12.1 part 5 question number 3. So in earlier video I have completed first and second question of this exercise. Today I'm taking the third question, and the videos of that questions are available in the playlist of my YouTube channel, so you can check there. So start with the question number 3. Find the value. It is given here. Find the value of 3 raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 into 2 raised to the power 2. So here a expression is given. By simplifying this expression we have to find out the value of it. So here we can write it as 3 raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 into 2 raised to the power 2 is equals to 1 plus 1 by 4 into 2, as here we have to find the value of the expression. So here we have written 3 raised to the power 0 as 1 according to the law, that is a raised to the power 0 equals to 1. It means any base with any base with exponent 0 will be equals to 1. So here 3 raised to the power 0 will become 1 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 will become 1 upon 4. By using the law, a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. So here it is given a raised to the power minus m, and here minus m means minus 1. So here we can write it as 1 upon 4 raised to the power 1. So it is no need to write the power as 1 because 4 is nothing but a number with power 1. And 2 raised to the power 2 we have written it as 2 into 2. Then 1 plus 1 divided by 4 into 2 will become 4. Then we will remove the bracket and we will simplify this bracket whatever given inside. So that is 4 into 4 will be 4 and 4 plus 1 will be 5. So that's why here we have written 5 divided by 4 into 4. So here 4 will get cancel, and when 4 will get cancelled, what is left here? 5. So this is how we have take out the value of this expression. Then the next question number 2, it is given 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 4 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 2. It can be written as 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2. By using the law, a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. So here it is given a raised to the power minus m, and it here 2 is equals to a and minus 1 is equals to minus m. So when we apply law, it will become 1 upon 2 raised to the power 1. So 2 raised to the power 1 is no need to write. So that's why I have written here only 2. And same way 4 raised to the power minus 1 will become 1 upon 4 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 2. Here 2 is a and minus 2 will be minus m, which can be written as 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2. So here negative exponent will become positive by using this law. Now here it is given multiplication in the bracket, so we can multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So it will become 1 into 1 will be 1, 2 into 4 will be 8, and divided by 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 we have to multiply with itself 2 times, and 2 into 2 will be equals to 4. So that's why here we have written 1 upon 4. Now this multiplication sign can be changed in the this division sign can be changed in the multiplication form, and to change it we will write the reciprocal of next number. So 1 upon 8 multiply by 4 divided by 1. Now it is given multiplication, so multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So that is 1 into 4 will become 4, 8 into 1 will become 8, and 4 divided by 8 is equals to 1 upon 2. So this is how we got the value for this given expression. Then the next question is 1 upon 2 whole raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 whole raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 whole raised to the power minus 2. So here you notice that the exponent is given as negative, and to make the exponent as a positive when it is given in this form we have a law. So here we are going to apply that law. So 1 upon 2 raised to the power whole raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 whole raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 whole raised to the power minus 2 can be written as 2 upon 1 whole raised to the power 2 plus 3 upon 1 whole raised to the power 2 plus 4 upon 1 whole raised to the power 2. So what we did here we applied this formula, that is a divided by b whole raised to the power minus m equals to b divided by a whole raised to the power m. So by using this law, when a numerator and a denominator is given as negative exponent as a whole, that time we have to make the exponent as positive, and to make the exponent as a positive we have to write the reciprocal of this given fractional number. So a divided by b will become b divided by a and whole raised to the power positive exponent. So here what we did, 1 upon 2 written as 2 upon 1, 1 upon 3 written as 3 upon 1, and 1 upon 4 written as 4 upon 1, and then the exponent become positive, that is 2. And now as we know that if it is given whole raised to the power 2, it means this exponent is for both numerator and the denominator. So here 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 1 raised to the power 2 will become, and 2 raised to the power 2 we can write, but no need to write 1 raised to the power 2, because when we multiply 1 with itself 2 times we will get 1 only. So 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 1 is nothing but 2 raised to the power 2. Here also same way, 3 raised to the power 2 divided by 1 is nothing but 3 raised to the power 2, and 4 raised to the power 2 divided by 1 will be 4 raised to the power 2. That's why here we have written 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3 raised to the power 2 plus 4 raised to the power 2. Now as the exponent is given 2 for all the numbers, it means we have to multiply that number with itself 2 times. So that is 4 raised to 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 into 2 will become 4, plus 3 raised to the power 2 means 3 into 3 will become 9, plus 4 raised to the power 2 means 4 into 4 will become 16. So that is 4 plus 9 plus 16. So 4 plus 9 is 13, and 13 plus 16 is equals to 29. So this is how we got the answer. Then the next fourth question, 3 raised to the power minus 1 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 plus 5 raised to the power minus 1 whole raised to the power 0. Now you can notice if whole raised to the power 0 is given, it means 0 is a exponent for all this number, and if the 0 is given as an exponent, then the answer will be 1 only. Okay, but first we will simplify it. So that is 3 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 3, plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 4, plus 5 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 5 by using the law a raised to the power m, that I will write here. Here we use the law a raised to the power minus m is equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. So here we applied this law, and by applying this law, here we got 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5. As the exponent is given minus 1, and minus 1 will become plus 1 by using this law, so no need to write the 1 as a exponent. So now here 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 whole raised to the power 0 is equals to 1 only. So that's why here we have written a raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. By using this law, we got this answer as 1. Then the next question, it is given power of a power. So the question is 2 divided by 3 whole raised to the power minus 2, again whole raised to the power 2. So it is given power of a power for this expression. So it can be written as 2 by 3 whole raised to the power minus 2 whole raised to the power 2 is equals to 2 upon 3 whole raised to the power minus 2 into 2. As it is given power of a power, so we can multiply both the exponent by using the law a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m into n. So here a means 2 by 3, and m means minus 2, and n means 2. So here by using that law, we have to take the result as a raised to the power m into n. So that's why 2 divided by 3 whole raised to the power minus 2 into 2. So minus 2 into 2 will become minus 4. So that's why here we have written 2 divided by 3 whole raised to the power minus 4. Now this is the negative expression. To make it as a positive expression, we have a law, that is a divided by b whole raised to the power minus m equals to b divided by a whole raised to the power m. So that is, we consider here a as 2, b as 3, and whole raised to the power minus 4 means it is a m. And to make this exponent as positive, we have to write the reciprocal of this number. So the reciprocal of this number will become 3 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 4 by using this law. And if it is given whole raised to the power 4, it means the 4 is exponent for both numerator and the denominator. So we can write it as 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 2 raised to the power 4. Now as the exponent is given 4 for 3 and 2, it means we will multiply 3 with itself 4 times and 2 with itself 4 times, because we want the result of this given expression. So that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is equals to 81 divided by 16. So this is how we got the value for the given expression. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this question is understood by you, and the remaining parts of this lessons is available in the playlist of my YouTube channel. If you haven't watched it, please check my playlist for this lesson. So thank you so much.